Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Calendly for booking with zero back and forth. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Calendly website. If you don't already have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Enter your email address and follow the prompts to set up your new account. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. Click on the Event Types tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Select Create Event Type to start setting up your booking link. Choose the type of event you want to offer, such as a one-on-one meeting or group event. Fill in the required details, including title, location, and duration. Set your availability by choosing specific days and times. You can customize settings like meeting buffers and how far in advance people can book. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on Next to proceed. Review your event details to ensure everything is accurate. Click Publish to make your event available for others to book. Now, go back to your dashboard and find the event you just created. Click on the Share button to copy your unique booking link. You can now send this link to anyone who wishes to book a meeting with you. When someone clicks on your link, they will see your available time slots. They can select a time that works for them without any back and forth communication. All appointments will automatically sync with your calendar. This simplifies your scheduling process and saves you time. Congratulations, you've successfully set up Calendly for stress-free bookings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.